Sweat shield?
Yeah.
You can use a tire inner tubes too to cover that up so it doesn't diffuse from there. Legal place.
The talons cover up the grooves too. Does it build it out?
Made it with a made it with batter.
Nice. Shooting snowbird? Yeah.
Now I've been milling up. I got a mill and a lathe.
To get some taste from Frank gives me
And for the moving targets on moving targets, on 38, about 850.
jazz hands. So Kurt's tight.
What he should put his hands up higher. That's what he did.
So like,
Yeah.
because you're not down the jazz. I think I'm gonna shoot the jazz hands just to be a cool guy. You can either shoot the jazz hands or just
As long as you have good follow through.
Yeah, look at you.
you might have 5 round magazine. They're not a race car. 22-second trucks. Okay. We started racing at a 5 because the rednecks always wanted to fight me. What are you running? I ran Sportsman and Bomber. Sportsman and Bomber. Sportsman's kind of almost the late model cars. The Bomber is just... No, Sportsman is an upgraded Bomber. Is it? I thought they were just one step down from late models. No? Okay.
But make sure you
There's something in between.
switch to the left.
Bomber, Sportsman, something like that.
I did that group on
Driving's fun. Missed it close. News to me.
Yeah, well,
Ain't a whole lot of much cars in my 300 horsepower piece of shit around that track.
but you shoot on both sides.
Well, I mean, if you're not used to it, and it's not fun to go drive around by yourself. It's whenever other people. That's the problem. So I just stand there like, okay, and I like this. It's come out of the corner, and your foot's completely on the floor. There's a car this far in front of you.